534 Clark Fork Drive in Superior, Montana. This is a waterfront home with private access to the Clark Fork River. This custom-built home provides 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Some of the features within the home include vaulted ceilings, a chef's kitchen, and large windows to take in the stunning river and mountain views. Invite your friends and family over for a weekend fishing trip. The access to the water is a breeze. There is ample parking space, 2 RV hookups, and a double garage to store all your toys. This property is located just 45 minutes from Missoula. Schwartzenberger with Engel & Volker's Western Frontier. Contact me for a showing today at 406-498-3534. Thank you.